it's always important just to have those times back with nature and connect back, because we do so much working as people that we forget to connect our souls back with what's really important and what really makes us human, and that's nature.
Superstars are we, the ones who have the power. We are the superstars. Superstars are we, the ones who have the power. We are the superstars. Superstars are we, the ones.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Julia Rice here. So today we are going on a picnic, just some much needed quiet time with the husband. Excuse me. Some much needed quiet time with the husband, and just something adventurous to uplift our spirits, have fun, and enjoy the weekend. Life is short, you know. Let me stay clear so you guys can see me. But we are doing a little picnic, going up to a water area to go hiking, and I'll show you guys some of the stuff we got. This will be probably a short vlog. I just want to share this with you guys, having fun. So this is the move. We got some food, and we're going to have a great little picnic. So have fun and enjoy this time with us. Bye. We got cheese, sushi, we got some shrimp, and pie, meats, grapes, fruits and vegetables. So I'm about to hook this up. It's gonna be a good day.
If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. It was a relaxing 3-hour drive where I talked with my husband. This picnic area was so magical. The waterfalls, the trails. I actually went to this park 2 days in a row, so you see a bit of an outfit change, but every time I go, I do bring an extra change of clothes and just get dirty and get to see the sights and just act like a kid,
That's the hard part. I think I'm gonna probably just put it down on purpose.
You have on your Nike gear, just do it.
Yeah, just
You have on your Nike gear, just do it.
It's late. We arrived later than we wanted to, expected, but as you can see, it's super flawlessly gorgeous out here. And just getting some alone time and taking that time with my husband is important, especially during this crazy time. And even if it wasn't crazy, it's always important just to have those times back with nature and connect back, because we do so much working as people that we forget to connect our souls back with what's really important and what really makes us human, and that's nature and so much more. So gorgeous it is, and we are just enjoying our picnic.
We had a feast. Everything was so good. Our time was relaxing. The water was flowing. You can actually swim in this water. I swam in it a little bit after we were done the first day, and it was an amazing time. I can't wait to go back.
So I hope you guys tune in next time and join me again, Jet with Julia. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to take time for yourself and have a little bit of fun. So bye guys.